Are you a temporary foreign worker who are now here in Canada with a valid work permit? So this news is for you. On May 27, 2025, Canada made a major changes to its temporary foreign worker program, introducing a new policy that affects both the foreign worker and the Canadian employer. Canada made it much easier for the temporary foreign worker to switch job without long waits, aiming to fill out the labor shortages and support the worker who are already here in Canada. So the new policy allows a temporary foreign worker with a valid status to begin working in a new job or new employer immediately after applying the work permit without waiting for the permit to be fully processed or approved. So how these things work? The temporary foreign worker must secure a job offer from a new employer or a new role. The temporary worker must submit a new work permit application under either the Temporary Foreign Worker Program or under the International Mobility Program. Then, at the same time, the worker can request an exemption. And once the IRCC or the immigration will grant this request, which can happen quickly, the worker is authorized to start the new job right away, even while the work permit application is still pending or on the process. So the worker can continue this new work until there is a final decision of their application. So who are eligible for this new update or new policy? So the policy applies to the temporary foreign workers already in Canada with a valid work permit, including those with closed work permit or with a employer-specific work permit and wants to change their employers or wants to change their job. So the worker must follow the process, the application process, and may request an exemption. So why this matters, So previously, temporary foreign workers had to wait weeks, months for their work permit to be approved before they can actually start this new job, leading to loss of income and employment gaps. So this policy eliminates the waiting period, providing immediate job mobility and financial stability for workers, and also helping the employers fill out the vacancy faster. Sometimes during the processing, the worker will lose its status as well. So this policy could really help the temporary foreign worker to start a new job immediately. So for those of you who have questions, maybe you can follow us on Facebook at KJB Law Firm, or you can email us at